Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video session. Before starting the session, dear children, you must have your grade 6 English textbook. In this lesson, we will start unit number 1, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Inexhaustible Patience and Mercy. Our topic is from grammar, parts of speech and synonyms. SLOs of this session are these. Choose appropriate word definition and identify part of speech of a word through abbreviation used. Locate synonyms in children thesaurus. Thesaurus means dictionary. If you look at the page number 8, you will find a vocabulary section here. See what it says. Parts of speech in the dictionary. A dictionary will tell you the part of speech a word can be. The part of speech is usually denoted with an abbreviation. Denoted means written and abbreviation means written in a short form. Like here, if this see in this section, all the parts of speech are written in abbreviation form, in a short form. I hope you have learned all the parts of speech in your previous class. If we open the dictionary, all the words will be given with the reference of parts of speech, whether this word is a noun, adverb, preposition or verb. If we look at this section here, an example of noun given here. Yes, prophet. Prophet is an example of noun because noun names a person, place, thing or idea. Now student, we will discuss the parts of speech in detail. We will discuss what is noun first. A noun is a word that names a person, a place or a thing. For example, Sarah is traveling to Mauritius. Sarah is a person, Mauritius is a place. Next week, people like to go to the seaside. People are person here, like to go to the seaside. Seaside is a place here. Now, we will discuss verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action, experience. Look at the examples. Realize, walk, see, look, sing, sit, listen. Look at the sentences. I like apple. Like is verb here. Come in please. Come is a verb. Let's move to the adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb. A verb, an adjective or another adverb. Look at the examples. She speaks slowly. Here the speaks is verb and slowly is an adverb. An adverb is describing the verb. He is so smart. Here is verb and so is adverb. Look at the third one. They come very often. Come is verb and very is an adverb. Let's discuss adjective. What is an adjective? Adjectives are words used to describe nouns. They give you more information about the nouns. For example, the ball is red. Here the ball is noun and red is an adjective. Look at the second one. The tall man is waiting for the bus. Yes. In this sentence, adjective is tall. Look at the third one. The small boy is eating a delicious apple. We have two adjectives in this sentence, small and delicious. One is describing the boy and another is describing an apple. Look at the fourth one. The watch is expensive but elegant. durable, and beautiful. We have 4 adjectives in this sentence: expensive, elegant, durable, and beautiful. All these words are describing the noun watch. Yes. Let's move to the prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions show location in time or space. In time and space. They also show relationships between nouns. It actually indicates that where the things are, in which directions the things are. Look at the examples. The cat was on the bed. Yes, on is a preposition here. Do your homework after school. Get the paper with the lines. Let's discuss the last one, conjunction. What are the conjunctions? A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunction to join 2 words, phrases, or clauses together to make one long sentence. Here we have some example of conjunction: and, as, if, when, because. Dear student, if you look at the page number 4, you will find a first paragraph of unit 1. Here, if you read it carefully, you can find so many examples of parts of speech that we have discussed in detail. Now let's move to the exercises. We have 2 sections here, section A and section B. What it says: find the meaning of the following words from the dictionary and use them in sentences of your own. What you need to do, you have to open the dictionary and find English to English meaning of these 5 words here and use them in meaningful sentences. How? Let me do the one for you. Let's suppose I am making a sentence of treat. Here, I will give you treat. Yes, you need to do just like that. Look at the section B here. Consult a thesaurus and choose the correct part of speech of the word through the abbreviation used. If you open your dictionary, your thesaurus, you will find these words will be given with the reference of parts of speech, whether it's a verb, adjective, adverb, or noun. For each word, we have 4 options given here. You need to understand the words first and then choose the right option carefully. For example, you need to tell if the mercy is a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Obviously, mercy is an idea or feeling. That's why it will be a noun. Yes, the noun is the correct option here. Now student, let's move to the synonyms. What are the synonyms? Synonym, a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, speech and voice. Yes, these both words have the same meaning. They are related to each other. Melody and music. Yes, they both have the same meaning here. Computer and Meditalker. Yes, they both have the same meaning. Let me give you another general example. This is a word, correct. What will be the synonym of this word? Yes, right. Both these words have the same meaning. They are the synonyms of each other. Now let's move to the exercise. Consult a thesaurus and choose the correct synonym for the following. Dear students, what you need to do? We have 5 words here. Open your dictionary, understand these 5 words first, find their meaning, and we have given 4 options here. For each word, you need to choose one word that have the similar word of a given word. Like, what is foe? Foe means a villain or a person who is against you. Yes. So what will be the same meaning of this word? A friend? No. A pal? No. A pal means a friend. A buddy? No. All these three words have the same meaning. But here, the enemy, yes. Enemy will be the villain, a person who is against you. So, foe and enemy are the synonyms of each other. Good. Now, dear student, let's move to the home task. The question 1 is from parts of speech. What it says, fill the blanks with the correct parts of speech. Read the sentences first and you have to tell the underlined words are a verb, a noun, conjunction or preposition. For example, my father works in a factory. You need to tell factory is a or an, a noun, verb, preposition or conjunction. Question number 2 is from synonyms. Write the synonyms of given words with the help of dictionary. You need to do, open your dictionary and find the words that have the similar meaning of these 5 words. So dear students, आज हमने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को डिटेल में पढ़ा. एब्रीविएशन क्या होती हैं? एब्रीविएशन वो होती हैं जब हम लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस या वर्ड्स को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. अगर आप थिसॉरस अपनी डिक्शनरी को खोलें तो वहां पर हर वर्ड के साथ एब्रीविएशन दी होगी कि ये एडजेक्टिव है, एडवर्ब है, नाउन है, प्रोनाउन है या कंजंक्शन है. आई होप कि आपने सारे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच जो है अपनी प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़े होंगे. अगर आप इस पैराग्राफ को देखें अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में, पहला पैराग्राफ है आपका यूनिट नंबर 1 का, तो यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी एग्जाम्पल्स मिलेंगी पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच की जो हमने पढ़े हैं. इसके बाद ये एक्सरसाइज है. आपने क्या करना है, इन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग ढूंढने हैं इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश, इनको समझना है, फिर इनको अपने मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस में इस्तेमाल करना है. मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस का मतलब ये है कि ऐसे जुमले बनाने हैं आपने जिनका कोई सही मीनिंग बनता है, जैसे कि मैंने आपके लिए बनाया है, आई विल गिव यू ट्रीट. सेक्शन बी में आपने क्या करना है, अपनी डिक्शनरी खोलनी है और इन वर्ड्स के मतलब ढूंढने हैं और इसके आगे एब्रीविएशन फॉर्म में लिखा होगा कि एडजेक्टिव है, नाउन है या वर्ब है. वैसे भी हमने इसको समझा है, अच्छी तरह पढ़ा है, तो आपके लिए आसान होगा बताना कि ये 5 वर्ड जो है ये क्या है, नाउन है, वर्ब है, एडजेक्टिव है या एडवर्ब है. अब आ जाएंगे सिनोनिम्स की तरफ. सिनोनिम्स वो अल्फाज होते हैं जिनका मतलब तकरीबन एक जैसा हो. ये स्पेलिंग में तो मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, बोलने में तो मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, लेकिन इनका मतलब ऑलमोस्ट एक जैसा होता है. आपने सेक्शन सी में क्या करना है, अपनी डिक्शनरी खोलनी है, इन 5 दिए गए अल्फाजों का मतलब जो है ढूंढना है और फिर हर अल्फाज के आगे जो है 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं. तो आपको जो लगता है कि इस ऑप्शन का जो सिनोनिम है ये वाला ठीक होगा तो उसको क्या करना है, टिक का निशान लगाना है. उसके बाद आपका होम टास्क है. आपने क्या करना है, ये जो अंडरलाइन दिए गए हुए अल्फाज है ये ब्लैंक में लिखकर बताने हैं कि ये वर्ब है, एडवर्ब है, कंजंक्शन है या प्रेपोजिशन है. हमने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को अच्छी तरह से समझा है, तो आपके लिए करना आई होप कि बहुत आसान होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपने क्या करना है, डिक्शनरी खोलनी है, इन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग ढूंढ के इनको समझना है और ऐसे ही अल्फाज ढूंढने हैं जिनका मतलब इन्हीं अल्फाज के जैसा हो. ये 5 वर्ड्स जो हैं यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. Dear student, this is the page number 4 in your textbook from unit number 1. This is your home task and you are going to identify all the parts of speech in this paragraph which we have discussed. You need to identify all the parts of speech here in an abbreviation form. Just underline it like this and write the parts of speech in an abbreviation form like this. Here the Abdullah is an example of noun. Yes, like this. Dear students, I hope कि आपको मेरा लेसन पसंद आया होगा. Thank you.